Channel, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedro. Inside this video I'm going to show you guys a powerful strategy. As you know that inside this channel we use to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index. So guys, I'm back with another powerful strategy today that I'm going to explain to you how to use this particular strategy to catch up a trade successful on boom 500 1 minute time frames. So guys, the most important aspect you need to learn about this strategy is this particular level, this 2 level, and anytime you have your moving average reaching your 90 level, and you must have your MFI on this level, it must be below the 50 level, and that's it. And exactly, you can use this same strategy to catch up a spike, like what is happening at this particular area. You see, from this area you can see that we have our level at 10 level, and we have our MFI at the above 50 level. This shows you a confirmation of where you need to take this particular trade. And let's check what is happening at these areas. You can see we have our moving average at this particular area, which is our 90 level, and we have our confirmation of this entry on below the 50 level at this area. You see this at this area. You also have another one here. You see this. So we enter this particular trade, and you can see what we are running in profit now. So guys, let me show you another powerful another setup again. You see, before you can confirm an entry here, you need to move this particular entry from the beginning to the end of the screen. So if it still remain on that 10 level or 90 level, then that is the right entry for you to take. Like what you can see here, you can see that it still remain on the 10th level, and this shows a great at this particular trade for spike level. And you can see what happened here. The trade keep on moving spike level. So guys, let me show you more example of what I mean also here. You can see this particular area too. We have it sitting on the on the level. You see that the MR5 here is moving below the 50 level, which show that this particular level is accurate for us to take. And you see, if you take this particular trade, you'll be running up your profit from this level to a down level. You see that? So guys, you see, yes, exactly. So let me show you more example. What you need to do is to move it from beginning to the end. Make sure that it sits on on that level, which is the 10th level. And if you can check this, you will see that it gives us a qualify above the 50 level, and which give us an entry around there, and we can keep on taking anytime. So let me show you another sample like this. You see this also, something is happening here. You see this, we have our moving average sitting on the 90 level, and we have already moved it from this particular point to this particular point. This entry still remain that same spot. So it means that we have our full confirmation at this and if you check our MFI, we will see that it's below the 50 level, which show us that this is the right place for us to enter this. But if we enter this trade at this level, you will see that it keep on selling on the down trend. So guys, let me show you the settings of this strategy so that you can you can also set it up on your phone. We have the relative strength index, which is the period of 14. We have apply to close, we have style to be white color, and we have our level. We have the 10, we have the 90, and we have the 50. So you just set it up the way I set it up exactly here. You see this? So you just set it up, then you press on done. Then we have our money flow income. We have our money flow income. Okay, let me show you our money flow income. We have the period of 14. We have the volume to be thick. We have our style to be in blue color, and we have our level in 20 and 80. So don't forget to set this up like this. And we have our last one, which is our moving average. We have the period of 20. our shift of 0, methods to be simple, apply to close, and we have our style in red color. So then you press on done. So by doing this, we have the same settings the way I have it here on my chart. And make sure any trade you want to take, make sure you from the beginning to the end and discover that it's still sitting on the right level which is supposed to be. And once it's sitting there, then check the MFI, which is the money flow index. You check it, maybe it's below the 50 or above the 50, then you can easily take this particular trade. You see now, when you enter at this particular level now, this spike come up and it's still you are still going to be making your profit big time. You see what happened here. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy like this. Thanks guys.